Hello, everybody. I'm Noah, and I always wish that there's a tutorial for the problem that I have. So I want to help other people like me. And so, for the chance that you're having the same problem I am, which is a petcock leak, I'm gonna make this video. So what have we done so far? I haven't recorded it, but I've took off all the plastics, or almost all the plastics. All the plastics you need to take off is the side ones and the gas tank one. Those are pretty self-explanatory. There's some bolts around the frame and stuff over here, and you just unbolt them. The gas tank cover just covers the gas tank. There's some things over here. And I took off the actual tank, not the cover. So here, let me see. So let me mock this up. Okay, so we also removed this air box. Here, let me mock it up for you guys. So this little tab was connected in there, and there was these screws that like kept it tight to the carb intakes or whatever they're called. And then this little fuel line, or this little line, was connected over there. Oh yeah, and these two lines, they weren't connected to anything. They were just kind of freely open. All right, it looked something like this. As you can see, there's this bolt you take off from over here. There's a couple bolts all around. The top parts was covered by this little plastic thing. It was like that, or no, the other way. It was like this, and it had a line connected to it. I think that was this line over here, this one, with this thing. This is a 1990 model. So that's how I took the gas tank off, and then so here, the gas tank was rusted, so I had to take everything apart and like put the vinegar and baking soda and all that stuff. But so what confused me, because my dad was the one that took it apart, but he just made me put it back together with no instructions. So whatever, thanks. Okay, so this is the part that confused me. I flipped the gas tank over. This is it's upright position. If you just flip it over here, this is how the pump and all this stuff is set up. So the fuel, what's it called? The fuel comes out the petcock straight into this filter, and then it goes into the pump. And if you look over here, it says in and out, and that out connects to a line in the motorcycle, which I'll show in a little bit. And this pump also connects to a electrical component. And this is how it's all set up. As you can see, there's these little bolts over here. And let me show you guys where it connects to. So the fuel connects to this little thing. It's kind of connecting to like the jets. And I need to find the outlet for the thing. Let's see, it's around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. That's where the fuel pump connects to. So right now I'm gonna try and start it with some gas, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna do much. Like, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try and start it. I was originally gonna start it with that thing over there. Those things are super useful. You put the gas in, there's just like a little valve and stuff. But since I already put this together, might as well slap the tank on there and try and start it up like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back in a second. All right, you good? put the gas tank on. We're gonna see if we can.
This is about to blow up.
Nah, we're about to see. I got my cameraman Aiden on me.
Yo, it's hot out. Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, okay, ready? Ready? Wait, we got a choke. No, we gotta give it a little squeeze bang over here. Let's go! Okay, ready? I need your, okay, ready?
Alright.
Yo, okay. What do you think? What?
It's smelly.
Oh, I think maybe it's the battery. Let's see how. Okay, so in the clip you saw before, I was trying to start it up with some. I was spraying some carb cleaner into the carbs, trying to see if that'll start up, and it did for like a second, but it sputtered out as you guys saw. And in this clip, you could see some white smoke coming out of the exhaust, and I got scared for a second. I thought it was something bad, but it turns out it was just a carb cleaner. And then upon further inspection, by placing down my hands on the carbs, on the carb holes or whatever, I noticed that the leftmost carb wasn't sucking air in. So stay tuned, because we're gonna give these carbs a clean. All the other carbs were sucking air except for the left one. So we're gonna clean them next episode. Thank you.